it's me, Misha48. So, me and my sisters have been working on something today and 2 weeks ago. We have been working on a Mega Neon Ginger Cat. Before we begin, I just wanted to ask, should I do more Roblox videos? Because I'm not sure if you guys would like to even watch my Roblox videos, because I mostly do gacha. Anyways, without further ado, let's go begin making the Mega Neon Ginger Cat. I'm so excited right now. Okay, now let's begin with the words video. Thank you for watching. Also, please don't get mad at me for putting too much emojis. It's just the emojis represent what I feel about the trade. And then after that, please don't kill me if I didn't accept one that was really good. A lot of them are joke trades. Also, if you would like to offer, just comment your offer down below and I'll just see what I'd like to accept. But for now, I don't seem to like any to accept. Otherwise, I'm actually going to be friending some of you guys. It would have been better if you sent me the friend request, because I'm actually having a hard time typing all of your names. So maybe it would be better that I would just accept it. My username is Misha_480. So you have to comment your username below so that I'll accept it, because I might not be sure who I'm randomly friending. It's because I don't like to friend like random people that are not nice, or either I don't know them It's okay if I don't know you guys personally, but I would love to still friend you. And if you're already my friend, I know some of us have met already, and it's been really awkward to ever saw my community post. Yes, we have met maybe, but it's so awkward I can't even. Anyways, bye! Thank you so much for watching!